My name is Riley Allison, and I am the Executive Director of the Carley's Angels Foundation, and we have had the privilege of working with VOOFA since early 2016. When I first met with Vivek in a coffee shop in Mississauga, I wasn't exactly sure what to expect, but he quickly reassured me and then put all of our website dreams into action. He put all the colors we wanted, all the pictures, anything that we could have dreamed of, they put on our website. And then people started paying attention. So then VOOFA and Vivek helped us put an e-commerce platform onto our website so that we could sell jewelry and clothing to fund our vision and our mission. And then Carley's Angels got a bit more sophisticated, and we decided to start hosting events. And to host events, you need a ticketing system. And VOOFA quickly put a ticketing system in place on our website so that we could scan tickets at the door, and that was pretty awesome for us. Made us look like a real company, which is huge. Then we talked strategy, and Vivek and VOOFA helped us put all of our strategy ideas into action, integrating our web mailing system and integrating SEO strategy so that we can reach more people and inspire more people with our message and our vision. The team at VOOFA helped us navigate the waters of a website and helped us put all of our ideas into action. I want to thank VOOFA and Vivek for helping us get to where we are today. You guys are the best.